They are surveying the damage in our backyard, which I can't get very good video of. Is it one of our trees?
That looks like a neighbor's tree is actually sparks, but I don't know what caused it if it's one of our trees.
And I can't tell if something hit our patio or if that was just the wire coming unplugged. Sorry for the muddy yard, gang. Do you want to go out there and talk to him?
Not really.
Oh, there we go. It's sparking pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to leave the door open in case the cat try and sneak out.
Alright, go ahead. He didn't want to leave the door open. Oh, there it goes. What are we gonna do, gang? I'm trying to figure out how to work my new lens. Well, there we go. Oh.
Crossing the lines now.
Yeah. Super. Yeah, manual. Oh, good. The tree's moving.
Yeah.
Here, let me get over there.
Yeah, that's our tree that
Super.
Jesus.
I'm not liking this at all. Here, I'll make it.
Well, at least the fire department's here.
Well, I feel like super extra vulnerable because I can't walk, you know?
Yeah.
I'm glad we called the fire department when we did.
Yep.
Yeah, look at that. That's a mess.
Yeah, it is. Oh, God.
Boof.
And we're done.
Got the whole neighborhood.
Good work, guys.
Look at the size of that limb, yeah.
Oh, my God. Tonks, be
Yeah.
quiet. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it looks like that limb came out of your tree.
Go us.
No, I think it blew that pole. That blew the breaker.
Okay, I'll wait your update.
What'd you think of that?
That's a pretty good show.
If there was nothing we could do but sit here and make sure it didn't extend,
Yeah.
it blew the transformer down here. So, threat of fire is pretty much gone now. Excel's on their way.
Okay.
As you can imagine, they're kind of busy. You know, there's probably one other call like this in the area. Probably going to be out of power.
Okay.
But we're going to head out. We're going to have another call to go to before too long.
All right.
Just kind of keep an eye on that. If you see fire start up or something happen again, by all means call us back.
Okay.
But we're just going to leave it be right now because there's really nothing we can do, and I don't think I think that took care of itself, luckily. Yeah.
Okay.
So, but expect Excel to be knocking on your door at some point tonight. I can't give you an ETA
Okay.
of when they're going to be here, but
All right. Should we stay out of the backyard? I mean,
I would. I would. And your wires, your house are down,
Yeah.
so you're probably going to be without power at least for the night, I would assume.
Okay.
Bad news, but
Yeah.
I don't think the threat of anything happening. I
Okay.
think the threat's pretty low. So
All right. Yeah, I'm worried about my dog. So when I take him out, take him out front.
I would. These are disconnected, but you know, you don't know if that transformer kicks back on or something.
Okay.
You could have some issues, but
Okay.
right now we're gonna walk through real quick and make sure there's no light fire.